March 1 ang nakalagay dito eh. So, syempre, ating kaya. And then, makikipagsasaran mo naman po ang so, i-advise na kayo na kailan para sa and then, yung kids Montessori, natigay po kami ng list para sa size ng shoes na and shirt. So, dapat po bago umalis pa okay? Sa bronze medalist and sa silver, nakakasama kita nyo lang ito. Wala po tayo sa silver or award eh. Okay, game lunch. So, yan award. Actually, yung mga individual awards po natin ay sa closing birthday, pamibigay sila ng certificate. Pero we're going to announce the individual awards or what we call the mythical 6. Yan. Based statistics, joke lang. Meron tayo manual stat dito. Ang statistician ay yan! Kay Ma'am Emmy.
And for our best in Libero. District 2. Next, best receiver. From District 3 again. Number 10, Rica Fuentes. Best setter. From District 7, Best attacker from the District 7, number 10, Palma Paula. Best server from District 2, number 20. And our best blocker from District 7, number 6, Makalina. And for our MVP, congratulations from District 7, number 3, Deverio. Congratulations again. Alright, so thank you very much. Congratulations. For this division with 2024 Secondary Girls Volleyball for the bronze medalist goes to CD3 Quirino High School. Coached by Romero Sibuan. Arsen Cassandra, Kalaki Oriet, Shelo Ana Sofia, Doroteo Almira, Dotonia Princess, Fortuna Astrid, Lovina